Welcome back to day 84, Energy as Brands Pulse. So on day 84, we're going to talk about what most underrated part of your brand is, your energy. You can say all the right words. You can have all the perfect lighting. You can have the best hooks. But if your energy is low, people feel it. Trust me, they sense it through the screen. Your energy introduces you before you ever speak a single word, and it sets the tone for everything that follows. So here's what you need to do. Raise your energy level before you hit that record button. If that centers you, move your body around. Take some deep breaths. Listen to music before you start. Whatever it is that pumps you up. Do something, anything that fills you from the inside out. Find what works for you and make it a ritual. Here's your challenge. Record a video right after boosting your energy. Notice the difference between how you show up and how your audience will notice it too. They will feel more connected and they will feel more engaged. Remember, you don't need to be loud. You just need to be alive in your message. Bring that to life in every piece of the content you create. Now, comment below your favorite way to boost your energy before filming, and let's learn from each other.